So, students, good morning. Let's start with part 2 of chapter number 2 on the trail of earliest people. In part 2, we will discuss about Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. In part 1, we had already studied about the Paleolithic age. So, let's start with Mesolithic age or Middle Stone Age, and the time period was 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. The period of man's life between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age is known as Mesolithic period. During this period, man started making highly developed tools. The use of bones and ivory during this period also started, and man learned the art of growing his food, which in turn is known as the beginning of agriculture. Let's discuss the Mesolithic age, or also known, which is also known as Mesolithic Stone Age, and the time period was 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. During the time period between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age is termed as Mesolithic age or Middle Stone Age. During this period, man has started making highly developed tools with the use of different techniques. The use of bone and ivory was also started during this period, and and in this period, man has started or has learned the art of growing his own food, were in which were also known as agriculture beginning. Okay, let's move forward. Let's talk about the tools. Man's occupation remained hunting and gathering food, but his tools improved. During this period, man usually used smaller tools which were known as microlith, and these were usually stone blades ranging from 1 to 5 centimeter in length. They were fixed on wood or bone and being used as spears, saws, knives, and arrows. The new tool and the weapon improved the technique of hunting and gathering naturally found food. Bone tools were now used. Axes were made of stone and they have wooden handles. These tools were found in India, especially in Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Men could now collect, hunt animals using bow and arrows, and use hook to catch fish. Let's discuss about the tools of Mesolithic age. During this period, man's occupation was hunting and gathering food, but the tools which was used by him in this process was improved. During this period, the man used smaller tools, which were termed as microliths, and these were made of stone blades, which were measuring in length 1 to 5 centimeter. They were either fixed on wood or bone and being used as spears, saws, knives, and arrows. The new tools and the weapon improved the technique because of new highly developed tool and skill and the highly developed weapon. It improved the technique of hunting and gathering food by the man. Bone tools were used during this period. Axes were made up of stone and they have wooden handles. It is found in area of India, especially in Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Man, the man was now able to collect honey with these new tools. He can hunt the animal using bows and arrows and can use hook to catch the fish. Mesolithic age can be divided into two parts: 12,000 years ago and 10,000 years ago. Domestication of domestication of animals. Towards the end of Mesolithic age, man began to domesticate animals. For example, domestication of dog could be very useful in many ways, especially in chasing and hunting animals. Man was learning to grow plants. The time duration of Mesolithic age was quite long, so to understand it better, it can be divided into two parts. First, 12,000 years ago, second, 10,000 years ago. During this period, man has started to domesticate various kinds of animals. For example, domestication of dog. It was useful in many ways as dog can chase and hunt down animals if the man wants. And during this period, man has started to learn how to grow plants which was also known as the beginning of agriculture. Let's talk about the Mesolithic or Neolithic age, or which is was also termed as New Stone Age, and the time period was 8000 BC to 3500 BC. It started about 10,000 years ago. This was a period in which man has taken to agriculture. He changed his habits from food gathering to food producer. He gave up nomadic life and started to live a settled life. He improved his stone tools into fine, sharp edge and polished weapons. He began to domesticate animals for his food instead of hunting them. Neolithic age can be divided into two parts: 10,000 years ago and to present. Let's discuss about the new topic, Neolithic age or the New Stone Age, and the time period was 8000 BC to 3500 BC. This age, the Neolithic age, was started around 10,000 years ago. It was the period where man has fully fledged started the process of agriculture or the process of growing plants for his food. And during this period, man has changed his habit from food gatherer or nomad to a food producer. He gave up nomadic life, means he stopped going from here to there and started living a settled life, means he has started living in one place and started agriculture to fulfill his food requirement. He also improved his tool during this period, so which and the improvement was that the tools were fine in condition, they were sharp edge, and they were even polished weapons. He also started to domesticate animals rather than hunting. Neolithic age can be divided into two parts. First is 10,000 years ago, and the second is to present. Let's talk about various topics. First is agriculture. Like fire, agriculture was also a chance discovery. Man has found that some seeds which had fallen into the moist land developed into plants. He started growing plants from seeds. Man food were the earliest crops must have been barley and wheat. Man has also cultivated rice, which changes his food habit. Man diets now consist of meat, fish, fruit, milk, barley, wheat, and other grains. Occupation: the taming of animals. The taming of dog has started in Mesolithic age. He could and he could control animals like sheep, goat, or oxen to domesticate and food when needed. Goat and cow gave him milk, while oxen helped to pull his clothes. Basket weaving and pottery. Baskets were needed to store rice, barley, and other grain. Baskets were made of a thin strip of wood. Pots were also made. These were given different shape and dried under the sun. They were baked in oven and make them harder in nature. Some of the pots were decorated by various designs of animal figures on them. Red, yellow, brown, and orange were the colors which were used on the surface of pottery. Let's discuss some more topics. Agriculture. Like fire, which was an accidental discovery, the agriculture was also the same. During early age, the man has found some seeds which were fallen on the moist land, and these seeds were developed into plants. So man has started growing plant from seed. Okay, man. If we talk about man's food, the earliest the earliest crop of man must be barley and wheat. Man has also started to cultivate rice, which has changed his food habits. Man's diet now consists of meat, fish, milk, barley, fruit, wheat, and other grains. Occupation: the taming of animals. The taming of dog has started in Mesolithic age. The man could control animals like goat, sheep, or oxen to domesticate and to provide him food for living when required. Cow and goats give the man milk, while oxen help the man to plow the field for agriculture. Basket weaving and pottery. Basket was very useful and used to store rice, barley, wheat, and other grains. The basket were being made of thin strip of wood. Pots were also made, which were given different shape and then made to dried under the sun. And after this, they were being baked in the oven so that their structure could get hard. Some pots were being decorated using different colors and different designs. Red, yellow, brown, and orange were the color which were commonly used on the surface of pottery to, to give the pottery attracting look. Polished tools. These tools were made up of stone, but now they were harder and polished. These tools include axe, hammer, chisels, saws, mace head, arrowhead, etc. These have been found in large number in South India and in North India. And these kind and tools were also found in Kashmir Valley, Assam, Bihar, Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, if we talk about the polish tool, the the tools of this period were also the same and was made up of by stone. But during this period, these tools were harder in nature and also polished. These these tools were axes, hammer, chisels, saws, mace head, arrowhead, etc. And if we talk about the area where it was found, then it is found in South India and North India, and also areas like Kashmir, Assam, Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Let's move forward. Invention of wheel. If we talk about the invention of wheel during Neolithic age, let's discuss about the invention of wheel during this period. The most important invention of the Neolithic age or the New Stone Age was the invention of wheel. Okay, the man would have seen round pieces of the wood rolling down the ground. A thick piece of wood shaped like a circle was man's first wheel. The invention of wheel made life easier for man. The cart used to transport both men and goods. The wheel was now used to make pottery of various types. If we talk about the invention of wheel during this Neolithic age, it was the very important invention of this period. Sometime man has seen small round pieces of wood rolling on the ground. A thick piece of wood which was shaped like a circle. It was man first wheel being discovered, and due to this discovery of wheel in this age, it made life of man very simple and easier in many terms. And with the help of due to wheel, the cart was being designed so that it pulled and transport men and goods from one place to another in less time. And with the help of wheel, various new kind of pottery were also being made. Let's talk about the social life. The early village. Men built their huts near the bank of river, which were made of wood, mud, grass. Such huts were found on high banks of river. Dress and ornaments. Animal scale or the bark of the tree were not only covering the body. Spinning and weaving was also known by now. The dress was made by wool and cotton. Bangles and beads were made of shell and bones, and which were worn by the women. Community affairs. Many family lives in a village. There must be quarrels between them. They needed rules to tell them what they were not allowed to do. Those who broke the community rules must be punished. Division of labor. There were now plenty of jobs to be done. Some kind of division of labors must be existed. Some men made tool or implements, other made pottery. Basket making and weaving of clothes was also developed as separate occupation. People used goods in exchange of goods as they did not have money, and this system was known as the barter system. If we talk about the social life, there are many points such as the early village dress ornaments, community affairs, and division of labor. First, we'll study or discuss the early village. Man, during this period, he has started building hut on the bank of river, which and these huts were made of different materials like wood, mud, and grass. And these huts were found on the high bank of river. Dress and ornaments. Animal skin and the bark of tree were not only used to cover the body, spinning and weaving of clothing was also known during this period. The dress or the dress which were worn by the men were made of cotton and woolen fabrics. Bangles and beads were also made up by shells and bones, which were worn by the women. Community affair. There were many families which used to live in village, and so there must be quarrel between them. They the rules and regulations were needed to be which were to be told to the people so that they must know what they were allowed to do and what they were not. Those who broke these rules or those who did not follow the community regulation being made, they must be punished. Division of labor. There were now many jobs to be done. So the labors for different jobs must be existed. The some men made tools and other made pottery. The basket making and weaving of clothes were also developed as new separate occupation or new different occupation. People during this age, they use good or they exchange good in place of goods because they don't have money during this period, and this system is known as the barter system. Let's talk about the last topic of this chapter, the religious beliefs. The earth provided food for man, so the Neolithic man worshipped the god earth. The forces of nature frightened him, which remained mystery for to the early man. He worshipped the sun, water, fire, also cow, which were man's main source of milk. The dead were now buried. His tools and weapons, rice, barley, and other grains were also placed inside the grave. The grave were closed with the last slab of stones called megaliths, and such megaliths are now found in South India. If we talk about the religious beliefs of Neolithic age or the New Stone Age, the earth provided man with the food, so the man worshipped the god earth. The forces of nature are the various different forces of the nature all frightened the man, which remained the mystery for him during long period. Man has started also started sorry the man has also started to worship sun, river, fire, and also worship cow, which was man's main source of milk. And the dead were now buried under the ground, and his tool, weapons, some rice, barley, and other grains were also put with him inside the grave. And the grave was covered with large stone slab, which was known as megalith. And these such spotting or such megaliths are now such megaliths are now found in South India. So, students, this finishes with the chapter of on the trail of earliest people. There were two parts. I hope you have understood both of the parts. Read it again and again and read it carefully, and you will understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.